everybody and welcome back. I'm excited to share with you an update on the Grabby workbook that I have been starting. I received the Grabby art box at the end of April, and I said starting from the 1st of May I wanted to start using this workbook. I have made a start on it, so I just wanted to do a little bit of an update. I was hoping to do one a week. It is currently the 9th of May, so I am a couple of days out. But I thought I'd still show you what I have done. If you haven't seen the Grabby unboxing, I will put that link down below. The box was absolutely amazing. I got so many different things in there, lots of things that I've used in here, which is another thing I loved about this workbook, is it encouraged you to use the items from the box. But yeah, let's take you on a little tour. So this is issue 1. So Grabby are going to be releasing this, I think when I looked on their website, it's every 3 months. So you can subscribe to it, and then every 3rd month there'll be a new box with the next issue in. Now it does say that it's a workbook for understanding and navigating emotions, so it is about your feelings a lot in here. But I found it quite positive and quite uplifting. So it is always very colourful. If you've ever bought anything from Grabby, it's always very bright, it's always very colourful, so that's really good anyway, to kind of give you those positive feelings. It does go through a few bits about art being therapy and things in the beginning and how to record all of that, and then it gets into the workbook itself. So you start off with a mood tracker, and you have this really fun looking girl and then lots of puzzle pieces that kind of stretch up. So I have been doing this and tracking my moods, and I've been using the acrylic marker pens that were in the box. They do unfortunately cover up the numbers. You can faintly see them on a couple of them, so I was going to go over them again with another pen just to kind of go over them so I can see the numbers again. I haven't done that yet, but I will be doing that. This page you complete after you've done the 30 days to kind of have a look as an overview of how the book has helped you on your creative journey. And then starting with day 1, as I said, it does encourage you to use the items that you received in the box. So you were doing a balloon swatch using the watercolour set. So this was the mini watercolour set. And then putting them onto the balloons, and then obviously writing the colour of them so you knew which ones they were. Now I have also done the little swatch that comes inside here as well, so it is on there as well, but I really enjoyed doing these balloons, and I must say I used the brushes that came with the box as well, and just trying to brush into the shape of the balloon was actually quite easy, or much easier than I thought. I'm not somebody that really uses paint very much, and I wouldn't necessarily consider myself an artist. I'm more of a crafter. I like making things, but yeah, I did enjoy this process and doing all of the colour swatching. So that was my day 1. Day 2 was about writing down worries or concerns or a stress in each bubble. And then it says, as you finish writing in a bubble, imagine blowing the issue away, letting go of that stress and anxiety. So I have written some. I've still got some more that I want to put on, or I might add some as the month goes on if there's a new worry or concern that comes up, but that's where I've got to so far. So I've just kind of followed the balloon, not the balloon, sorry, the bubble pattern, so I've kind of written round in a circle. For day 3 I did cheat a little bit, so it says think of your favourite view that you've ever seen from a window and draw it below. If you need help, look out your window right now for inspiration. So where I currently live, I'm right on the top of a hill, so you kind of look out, and I've obviously got the house opposite me, but then there are just fields as far as the eye can see after that, and it was a lovely, actually clear day when I took this photo. So I took the photo and I stuck it in because I'm not very good at drawing, and then I just doodled a little frame around it. So that's what I've done for day 3. For day 4, you get all of these different little faces, and then you can kind of add colours or details and things that you want to. I've done some of them. I haven't finished this. I will be coming back to this. But I've tried to use, again, different bits from the box. So I did some watercolours initially, and then I've gone in with the, again, acrylic marker pens and a fine liner. So this one I thought would look really good as a sunshine. This one, because all you saw were the eyes, so I kind of made it like a cloud, so it's almost like somebody's in a fog looking out from that. Because this one looks like they're sweating, it looks like they're shocked, so I've done it like a really pale, it's not quite white, it's like an off-white for that one. Because this one looked like a kiss, I kind of made it into a heart shape. And when I saw that face, it reminded me of that painting, The Scream. So I kind of did the hands on the side of the face. I know they don't look like hands, as I said, I'm not an artist. But I kind of did the hands on the side of the face to make it look like the Scream face that's in the painting. And then I've just added little bits of colour, but I haven't really done many more faces than that. I added some squiggly hair to that one. I added a tear to this one because he looked like he was a little bit distressed. I've coloured in the mouth where he's sleeping, and I coloured in the sunglasses, but that's as far as I got with that. Day 5, it does say to use your acrylic markers to continue the drawing, then add colour. As I said, I'm not really an artist, so I think that one I kind of have to be in the mood for if I'm going to do some doodling. So I have skipped day 5 for now, but again, it will be definitely something that I come back to. Similar for day 6, you're finishing the comic strip. So again, it's about drawing. I have some ideas, but again, I've just not been in the frame of mind to actually do some drawing yet. I've been quite enjoying, actually, like I said, doing the painting parts of it. And just doing the doodling. I've actually quite enjoyed this part of it. So I'll come back to those at a later date. Then for day 7, it says draw a memory that always makes you laugh. So again, I've cheated, I haven't drawn, I've taken a photo. This was recently, my daughter, my husband and myself went to a little fairground, and my daughter went on the rides. She's only 5, but she absolutely loved them. Her face, I know you can't see that very well on the camera, but she is just absolutely laughing the whole way around. She was absolutely beaming. She loved it. So it's just something that would always make me smile and always make me laugh. And that's kind of as far as I've got so far. I mean, I know, like I said, it is actually the 9th today, so I should be on day 9. I haven't been able to keep to it daily. I've never been a very good daily journaler, which is why I never do the journaling daily challenges, because it's just not possible. I do work, so I don't always have the time necessarily in the evenings to sit down. So generally over the weekend, I will carve a time out of my day and I'll just go through many of the pages. So it is Friday tomorrow, so I will be possibly then working on this tomorrow. But yeah, I think I'm going to do a little bit of a catch up. But for day 9, it's colour all the flags with your favourite colours, and don't be afraid to add patterns if the mood strikes you. So that one I definitely will enjoy. I like doodling, so that's going to be really good and really fun to do. But I've got this page as well to do, and as I said, at some point go back to the drawing ones. But yeah, I do really like this. I'm really loving it, and I think what I was hoping it will do, and so far it is, although like I said, I'm not sticking to it daily, but I've never been a daily journaler. I like the idea of, I know these are supposed to be drawing ones, but the fact that I've captured a photo, I will actually write a little bit about it in here, but that's the habit I want to get myself into in my actual journals, not just this one. So yeah, and a lot of the activities are looking fun coming up as well. So day 10, write down what you love about the different parts of who you are. That'll be interesting. And again, it's very doodly, which is what I love. Day 11, what are you best at? It could be serious or silly. Design a medal for your top special talent. So again, that's a doodly one, which I quite like. So yeah, I am really enjoying this so far. If you haven't checked out the Grabby art box, I absolutely recommend that you do, because it is lots of fun. As I said, the box is brilliant. You get lots in it. I will have the link down in the description so you can see my unboxing. But yeah, I'm enjoying working in this workbook at the moment. I will do another update next week. Hopefully by then I've done all the catch-up pages as well, and then you can kind of see my progress. But yeah, loving this workbook so far. Well, that's all from me today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.